Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add an address on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to add address on Temu account, first open up your Temu app, and after opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see 4 options, and there you can see the U option available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and when you land on this interface, guys, you can see the addresses button available for us just below the credit balance. Tap on addresses, and when you land over here you can see here it says you don't have any shipping addresses saved. Tap on add a new address to add your address, and go with the necessary credentials over here, like your country, your first name and your last name, and after that enter your postal code, street or house number to find your full address, or you can just enter it manually over here. And going through all of these verifications by entering your credentials, tap on the I agree button over here, or the tick mark, and then tap on the save. And then after that, after completing this, your address will be saved on your Temu account. And that being said, guys, this is how to add an address on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.